Assalamu alaikum class, this is Warda here again with another letter and another set of activities. So as always, let's start the lesson with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And first of all, we are going to start with the poem. So here it is. It is, "Who was a light which burned at the night, lighted the gloom of a very dark room." Do it again. It's, "Who was a light which burned at the night, lighted the gloom of a very dark room." And here we have done the poem with the sound of l. Like the first thing, l was a light. So further we are going to do the objects with the sound of l. And here it is on the screen. So can you tell me that what is this? It's a part of your body and it is your lips. And this yummiest thing is a lollipop. And here we have a lemon. Okay, I am going to say the spellings one more time with the sounds. L, lips, l, lollipops, l, lemon. Okay, let's do it one more time. Lips, lollipops, lemon. As you can see, all the sounds are beginning from the sound l. Lips, l, lollipop, and l, lemon. Okay, and further we have a story in front of you that I'm going to read. So let's read it. Lubna wanted a dress for her friend's birthday party. She was looking for a dress in her cupboard but was unable to select one. The theme of the party was yellow and she had nothing yellow to wear. She went to her mother and told about her problem. Her mother smiled and asked her to wait for a few minutes. Okay. She stood up and went to open her cupboard. Inside the cupboard, there was a small light. She opened the lock of the box inside the cupboard. When she lifted the lid of the box, Lubna's eyes brightened up with joy. Her mother pulled out a beautiful lemon-colored dress made up of silk and lace. It had such a lovely color and design. There were leaves and ladybug all over the frill, and it was Mom's dress but so big and loose on Lubna. She became sad, but Mom told her that she will fix the dress in no time and that Lubna will wear the same dress in the party. As promised, she did it, and Lubna wore the dress and looked very pretty at the party. Okay. So let's find out the words with lo. It's Lubna, and then looking, and the theme of the party. Okay, here in the yellow we have the sound yellow, and moving on we have the lock, lock, light, and then again Lubna, and then silk, hook, and lifted, pulled. Okay, and okay, so the lemon as well. So we are done with the sounds of l. In the story, we had frequently used the sound l, and you can also see कि हम जब story पढ़ी तो I have focused on the sound l. So the teacher or the elder who is going to read the story for the children must emphasize on the sound of l. Moving on, we have a few more objects. Okay, so this one, ये हम use करते हैं अपने side table पे जब हमें हल्की सी light चाहिए होती है. And what is this? Lamp. Okay, and these are laces. And उर्दू में कहते हैं हम सीढ़ी, and in English it's a ladder. Okay, let's do the spellings. Lamp, laces, letter. One more time. Lamp, laces, and letter. Okay, so from now on we will called it the laces. जिसको नहीं पता था, so अब आप लोगों को पता चल गया है कि इसको हम laces कहते हैं. Okay, and now the sound that we have learned today is it's the straight line. Let me write it here. It's and it's called L. L is the word letter that has the sound Now we are going to perform some activities related to the word and before that I am going to tell you how to write down with the help of the crayon. Before that we were doing it with the help of the index finger, lekin ab se we are going to do it with the help of the crayon. So first of all, you just need to move down. On your workbook, you need to practice the writing on the dotted patterns and you also need to repeat the sound So you need to do the whole page with the help of the crayon, and along with the writing thing you need to say the sound and repeat the sounds Okay, so now it's activity time. I'm going to perform a couple of activities. I have only one over here. So it's leaf printing and the line from The one that I'm going to do is kind of this thing. You have the option now. The easiest way is to take the leaf और इसी तरह उसके ऊपर एक पेपर रखें and you with the help of the crayon or the pencil color you need to trace that. उसका print हमें लेना है जैसे हम coin का लेते हैं and you will see कि आपको पेपर पे इस तरह का एक print मिल जाएगा, leaf का print with the veins, जैसे कि इसमें detailing है सारी उस तरह. Or the other thing that you can do that I have done the most easiest way or the convenient one as well is I drew the leaves and I just pasted them on the paper. You can do the same, लेकिन I would suggest कि go for the leaf printing, कि leaf लें और उसको trace करें, वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक explore भी हो जाएगा बच्चे को. That will be a great thing as well. Alongside with that thing you can do this line making activities. It's pretty easy as well, so you can do the both for the sound of L, and during these activities you need to make the child learn that what we are going to make. We are going to make we are going to make a leaf, a line, a lamp. So हम उसको बता रहे होंगे कि we are going to do the word, the object we are going to make is from the sound Okay, so that was all for today. We have done the poem, we have done the story, I have told you to how to write it down, I have explained the activities as well. You can have the plenty of options, other options as well, जिसके अंदर हम L से दूसरे objects बना सकते हैं. So that was all for today. Thank you so much and I will come with another lesson.